Problem 12. A lucky year is one in which at least one date, written as month/day/year, has the product of the month times the day equal to the last two digits of the year. For example, 1956 is lucky because 7/8/56 works. Since 7 times 8 is 56. Which of the following is not a lucky year? The choices are 1990, 1991, 1992, 1993, and 1994. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Factor each year's last two digits into month times day. Try 94 equals month times day. So 1994 is not lucky, choice E.